And you know, if you look at the lives of the Sahaba, the time they were with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one time, one of them came out, he had a stone tied to his stomach. He said, Ya Rasulullah, won't you make dua for us? You know, look at the difficulties we're going through. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he smiled and he lifted up his shirt. He had 2 stones tied to his stomach. This is the nature of this dunya. A man came to Rasulullah and said, Ya Rasulullah, won't you make dua for us? You know, this was in Mecca. We're being persecuted, we're going through this and that. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he got upset. He said, you are a people who are hasty. You should have patience. You should have trust in Allah's plan. And you know, later people asked, what was it that you were going through? This person, he lifted up his shirt. They had, you know, coals. They had put the coals in his back. And it had melted in his flesh. And there were these deep marks on his back. He was going through that, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, be patient. Allah's plan is coming. Allah has something better for you. You should know that. You should trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And so in the end, everything in this dunya, one of my teachers said, is that we have been put here to learn to let go. Because everything belongs to Allah. And the ultimate thing we will let go is our life. We will give up our life. And this is easy for a person who knows Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Who's sitting in that room where the light is all around him. He doesn't care about the candle. He wants to be in the light. And so when a person, when death comes to us, says, let's go. If we are ready and we have accepted this fact that everything belongs to Allah, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We belong to Allah and to Him we will return. Then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, for that person, the soul will come out so easy. It's like a drop of water rolling down a jug. But a person who's neglected and who doesn't have patience, who doesn't have trust in Allah, they will be afraid. They don't know where they're going. And so they'll cling to the body. They neglected Allah all their lives. Now when the time comes, they will be in fear and chaos. And I've seen, you will see when you go to the hospitals, people that are old, in their deathbeds, when death comes, they will become afraid. They don't know how to die. And in the end, we have to let go of dunya. We have to let go of everything. And you have to trust Allah. What Allah has with Him is better. وَالْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. The akhirah, this is the life. This is better for you and it's lasting. Dunya, it's temporary and it will go. And whatever happens in dunya, stays in dunya. قولي قولي هذا استغفر الله لكم فاستغفروه إنه هو الغفور الرحيم.